Today, we will be learning how to determine if something has more or less. To do this, we're going to bring in a few of my friends. This is my friend Brinkley, and this is Bella. Let's say that Brinkley has 3 apples. Now let's assume that Bella has 4 apples. How do we know who has more apples? We're going to start by putting their apples in a line. When we make our lines, we want to make sure the apples are right on top of each other. Brinkley with 3 apples on top and Bella with 4 apples on the bottom. Next, we are going to draw a line from the top apples to the bottom apples. Here, Brinkley and Bella each have 1. Here we draw a line where Brinkley and Bella both have 2 apples. Here we draw a line where Bella and Brinkley each have 3 apples. Now when we go to draw another line, Brinkley doesn't have any more apples, but Bella does. This means that Bella has more apples than Brinkley. Because Brinkley is out of apples, this means that Brinkley has less. Let's take away those apples and try it again with different numbers. This time, Brinkley has 2 apples, and Bella has 2 apples. Once again, we've lined up their apples. Let's draw a line from Brinkley's apples to Bella's apples to see who has more. So we draw a line from our top apple to our bottom apple to show that they each have 1 apple. We draw another line top to bottom to show that they each have 2 apples. But this time, nobody has any extra apples left over. They have both run out at the same time. When this happens, that means that they have an equal number of apples. Let's do another one, but this time we're going to do it like you would in class. We're going to put it in a word problem format. Bob has 3 trucks. Anne has 2 trucks. Who has more trucks? All right, so let's go ahead and meet Bob. Here's Bob. Our word problem said that Bob had 3 trucks. Let's not try to draw trucks. That's really hard. Instead, let's just draw circles. So if Bob has 3 trucks, we're going to draw 3 circles. Our next sentence says that Anne has 2 trucks. Let's meet Anne. Oh, there she is. Hi, Anne. If Anne has 2 trucks, then we're going to draw 2 circles. Notice I put the circles right underneath Bob's circles. This makes it easy for us to draw our lines. So we draw a line from top to bottom for our first circles, and then again for our second circles, because they both have 2. But look, Bob has 1 circle left over. This means that Bob has more. So our equation asked, who has more trucks? Well, since Bob has 1 left over, Bob has more trucks. While this answer is right, that's not the right way to answer it. When we're answering the word problem, we want to make sure we're very clear. Just Bob isn't enough information. So we're going to be very specific. We're going to write, Bob has more. Would you like to try another one? Me too, because I think we're getting really good at this. This time, Bob has 4 marbles. Anne has 2 marbles. Who has less marbles. Let's bring back Bob and Ann. There they are. Now let's remember, our equation said Bob has 4 marbles. And then it said that Ann has 2 marbles. So we drew 4 circles for Bob and 2 circles for Ann. Let's draw our lines to see who has more and who has less. Well, we can draw lines for our first circle and our second circle, but then Ann runs out. Bob still has 2 circles left. That means he has more. But our question asked, who has less? Ann has less. So do we just write Ann? No, we want to be more specific. So we're going to write Ann has less. Wow, what a great job. I think you might be becoming a math master. You seem to have mastered more and less. Be sure to like this video and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. We have tons of educational videos that'll make you rock that classroom. See you soon.